as it is an international testing language system powered by IDP India to access the level of candidate. My name is Jasprit Kaur and I am here to conduct a speaking of student named Sonika, candidate number 110728. What's your name?
My name is Sonika Bharadwaj.
How may I address you?
I feel glad if you call me by my first name Sonika.
Okay, Sonika, are you student or working?
Well, I am a student and recently I have passed my plus 2 stream, plus 2 from commerce stream. Now I am taking language classes from the famous institute Global Makeovers.
Okay. What's your major?
Sorry ma'am?
What's your major? What's your aim?
My aim of my life is to go overseas and become a successful woman.
Okay. Why did you choose that subject for studying?
From plus 2, I have chosen my subject commerce because I am keenly intrigued on these subjects such as commerce, business and accounts.
Okay. Let's talk about cold weather. Have you ever been in the cold weather?
Yes, of course. In my past days, I have been in cold weather. The situation is very unpleasant because the cold weather is very around me.
Okay, how often is the weather cold where you come from? How often is the weather cold where you come from?
I love the weather spring and I enjoy the spring. So when I talk about the cold weather,
Are some part of your country colder than others?
well, in my opinion, my country is not about cold and warm. It is well said that our country from this October to January there is a cold and March to September is warm. So it is mixed up.
Okay. Would you prefer to live in hot place or in cold place?
Well, I truly say that I love to live in cold weather because I love to live in these weathers.
Okay. Let's jump on a cue card. Here your cue card is, and you can use paper or pencil to make your own notes. You have only 1 minute to prepare your cue card and your time starts now.
Okay. Describe a situation or a time when the
Done? You may start now.
If I had to talk about myself, I am very familiar with others. Here I would like to talk about a situation when I help someone. in my last month there is my IELTS mock test, and I was go to temple for blessings. Then I saw there is a old woman who sitting in the floor, and she was very sad. Then I go to the temple and take some blessings. When I go, I saw there is I saw a old woman was very sad. So in my mind I think that I would go and ask questions, why are you sad? So when I go near, I saw that old woman left leg was injured and she was crying. So I feel very unconscious when I see. So I go my vehicles and take the first aid and go to the woman to help. So that was the situation when I helped the someone. I feel very blissful and loving when I help this aunt. When I go return back to my home, this situation and all over conversation I do with my mom, and my mom also said that you should well done. And but in situation my IELTS mock test was not going on. So my mother tell me that was okay. You help the aunt is very first. Don't mind, next time Saturday you will do your mock test.
Okay. Should developed countries help developing countries?
Well, in my opinion, should developing countries do the help of developed countries, because there is a host of factors, such as in developed countries the education system, hospitality and other such factors are needed. So the developing countries should always effort to help the developed countries.
Okay. What kind of help is best to provide?
Well, in my opinion, the best help to provide is employment, because as we all know, there is a major drawback of all the countries, that is employment, and most of the workers and men who were educated but sitting as a home unemployment. So in my opinion, employment opportunity should be provided.
Can help be harmful in some cases?
Well, I truly say that sometimes it harmful, because when we think that we do help to others, but in some situation it is totally wrong.
Okay. How should parents help their children?
Well, in my opinion, parents should always take care and help their children, because they are because parents are always caring and try to best to their children.
Should children be taught to help others?
Yes, of course, children are taught to help others, because when they try to help someone, they become very familiar and because they were very familiar and
Okay.